Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Now coming into the homeopathic form of treatment. As we've already discussed in hysterectomy for fibroids is not a big issue. It's not a life-threatening condition. But if not taken care properly, it can have a bad prognosis. But here we are discussing about treatment option which is very safe, which is very effective. Unlike hysterectomy where you're having all of these risk factors associated, in homeopathy you do not have any of these risk factors associated. It is utterly and completely safe to use. It does not have any side effects attached to it. It is non-invasive, that we are not going to perform any surgery on you, and also it will help in shrinking the fibroids. Secondary, it will help in balancing the hormones, which is very important, because a balance in the hormones can create harmony in the body where you will not be affected. Apart from fibroids, there are other diseases that you get from hormonal imbalance, right? So by taking homeopathy, the hormonal balance also can be attained, and also your irregular periods or your too much flow, menorrhagia or metorrhagia, can be decreased, and it can be turned into a normal period using homeopathic pills. Apart from that, there is no recurrence compared to allopathic form of treatment. If you're taking even UAE, if you're taking myomectomy, if you're taking hormonal pills, if you're taking ablation therapy, all of this, there will be recurrence in the symptoms. But in homeopathy, apart from being safe and apart from being very effective, it does not have a higher amount of recurrence. The recurrence rate in homeopathy is very low compared to allopathic form of treatment. Here we treat you holistically, and here we are going to prevent further recurrences, treat your current disease, relieve you of your symptoms, and cure your disease. So opt for homeopathy if you are suffering from fibroids. Someone who is suffering from fibroids or adenomyosis or endometriosis, dysmenorrhea, polycystic ovaries or ovarian cysts, or any female reproductive organ diseases, remember that Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two types of consultations. If you're someone who's staying very near the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person and take doctor consultation. If you're someone who's staying very far away from us, you can take online consultation. In online consultation, we have audio consultation option as well as video consultation option here. And after the doctor consultation, if you need any sort of investigations, we will be asking you, and if you already have done the investigations, you can share it with us. After taking your case and after evaluating your investigations, especially for online clients, we will be delivering you our medicines to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Anywhere else across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, ping us a message. If you want to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids, endometriosis, adenomyosis, dysmenorrhea, ovarian cyst or polycystic ovaries, or any other female reproductive organ diseases like even infertility, why should you choose Fidelis Homeopathy? Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we strictly follow 3 principles. First one is our highest success rate. We are having good success rate in already treating all of these female reproductive organ diseases. Second is a transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third one is personal care. Personal care here at Fidelis is top notch because we will be answering you and educating you on all your queries. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure for your diseases, choose Fidelis Homeopathy. Thank you.